So this has 2 outlets on it with covers on either outlet. So if you're not using both, you can cover it up. Let's go ahead and plug it in, and you can see they are lighting up. So this means they are in pairing mode. So we will go to the Smart Life app and we will look for it there and add it. Didn't add like I would expect it to, and eventually these just went solid blue. So I'm going to manually reset again. So I'm just going to press and hold this for a few seconds. Now it's back in pair mode, and let's try one more time. Now technically this outlet is weatherproof, but I had another weatherproof smart socket here before, and honestly this area just gets totally dumped on. So I got this case, so waterproof case, or water resistance anyway. So this should take a bunch of the water off of it. So it's got areas for multiple cords here or here. And of course I just need the one. And with the lid on, you can see like there's still some area for some water to get in, but it's really not going to be a lot. So this is a much better way, especially around Christmas time, if snow gets on this or something like that, going to be much better. So a little bit of water could get in, but it's not going to be dumped water all over this. So now when it's too hot, I can say I'll turn on giant swamp cooler, and now I don't need to go outside and turn this bad boy on.